Hello, welcome to a new video, and today, well, as you probably can tell by the title, I'm going to be showcasing a Slither.io bot, not made by me. However, when downloading, it was extremely complicated, so I made a batch script that's like a downloader that takes you through the steps and tells you what to do, and so this will allow you to install it much easier on your computer. It is a little bit glitchy. If there are any glitches during this video, I will fix them when I put the link down in the description. And also, just so you know, I got a new microphone arm, like a boom arm. So now that holds my mic, so hopefully my voice is a bit better. But it looks really cool and satisfying whenever I look at it. It also came with a pop filter. However, I don't use it unless when I'm recording because it just gets in the way of the screen. So anyway, this is the code. It will be put down in the description. And so let's move on. It's called Unpacker Bat. We'll open it. It's got some credits, Slither.io feeding bots. This file is an unpacker that will install Mima's bots in your PC. So that's what the guy called it. You have run this file as administrator. It detects on whether or not command prompt has administrator, and it will tell you how to do it if you don't. We will now continue with the installation. The first step is to install TamperMonkey add-on for Chrome. This add-on allows JavaScripts to be run into your browser. Press any key to go to the TamperMonkey download site. So we press enter. We go here. And you click add to Chrome. I uninstalled everything, except for a few things that I didn't want to uninstall because I wanted to keep them on. But in those cases, I'll just show you where it would be different for you. So that should pop up. That always happens whenever you get a add-on for Chrome. And then you can just close that, go back, and then after you've downloaded it, click on the plugin and then select Dashboard. When on the dashboard, click the tab that has a plus surrounded by a square. So click on the plugin, go to Dashboard, click on the plus surrounded by a square, and then copy and paste the code in the following paste bin into TamperMonkey, replacing any code that there was before. Press any key to open paste bin. This is taking a while. Then you, oops. Monkey. And you copy all that, go back here, and then paste bin open. Now click File in the top left of the editor, and then click Save. File, Save. You got the first one. No, okay. Good, but there are two that you need to do. So once again, click the tab that has a plus surrounded by a square, and copy and paste the code into it. So get the plus surrounded by a square, open a paste bin, copy all of that, put it in here, file save, and then that's all you need to do with TamperMonkey. Alright, there's one more manual step to do. This application is coded in JavaScript but run in the terminal. To be able to run this application, you will need to download node.javascript. Just go through the instructions given by the installer. Make sure when it asks you to download necessary add-ons, check the box, as it is not defaultly checked. Press any key to download and launch. So then it will download it, like this, and open it, and you can click on that. Let's change, so for you it would just be download, all the download stuff, and then you would just do that until you get to here, where you would check this box. I wouldn't, because I already have Chocolatey installed, because I've already downloaded this many times. And then you just continue with the installation, blah blah blah, does it, and you're done. And so now, it will download a file, and then unzip it. This one can take a while. Last time I tried a recording, I got confused and thought it wasn't working because it took a long time here, but I think it just happens later on. I'll pause the recording until, oh, never mind. There we go. Wait for it to finish. I'll pause till that's done. Okay, then now it should launch. Let's wait for that. So the actual code is, oh no. There we go. Now it's unzipping it. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm going to pause. It's probably doing this because, it got glitched. It was taking too long to download. I'm sorry. Okay, so I believe I fixed it mostly. I'm going to do that. So if this works, otherwise it's going to be embarrassing, but I will fix this down in the description. I will make sure there is enough delay for it to register, because what happens is it still downloads, it checks if the file exists, but it finds it even though it's not fully downloaded, and then it opens a not complete file, and it will just give that error message. I don't remember there being any loop though in it, but okay. Now, still downloading it. Okay, yeah, so it does also create a folder that you don't need to access, so it's just saying that because it's already there. But that ends up in your app data, I believe, and yeah, so that, why again? Okay, so I figured out what it was. It was not an error in the code, it was just that I already had a file downloaded that I forgot to delete before this video, and it was erroring out because it already existed and it didn't know where to put it. So that loading bar at the top in the blue, it's made of circles, but once that reaches the end, this file will then finish up and put an item on my desktop, which I think I didn't delete that either, but this is it. I'll delete that first. And then we can watch that. Alright, so then let's see where it put it. Yes, here it is. So next up, all you have to do is, go to Slither, Slither.io. I might not actually be able to show you much of the hack in action. You all guys might have to do that yourself, just because running Slither.io and my recording software at the same time causes immense lag. But that's what it should look like if it's worked properly. This thing also has some bonus effects, which means you can scroll to zoom out, and you can also right-click to enable a bot. But then we got, let's see. Then you go to your desktop. So this file can actually be moved anywhere. It doesn't have to stay on your desktop. But, oh, that's the wrong one. That's the real one. Okay. I really hope this works. Yes, it worked. Okay. So once that's done, just go in here. Still lagging. Okay. And then that's me. You click this top button. Once I can. Alright, and then you'll see the minions. So I can't spawn very many because I'm recording. It can't, the actual thing can spawn around 50. Whoa, that's actually quite a lot. That's a lot better than the last time I tried to record this. Oh, that's actually a lot. Okay, never mind. So I might be able to show you. There's one. That's a bot. So what they do is they just try to hit you and feed you. But I am lagging so bad. They will also actually dodge other players, so you don't have to worry. Why is that one disobedient? It must be because it's lagging. I'm really sorry for this lag. Oh, there's a big guy. 1 second. I'm doing this with lag. So anyway, you saw the bots. They will work a lot better on your PC just because you'll probably have a better PC than I do and you won't be recording at the same time. Yeah, right, you're AFK. It's not AFK. So if you right click, that thing pops up. I think it's a timer for how long you can do. It'll actually automatically eat these things and it will run after them. Like that. And I believe the timer may be like a limit for how long you can.